Stop manually creating your Jira stories and learn how to import them in bulk with this simple CSV hack that will transform your project management. First, log into your Jira instance and ensure you have the correct permissions to create and edit issues. Click on the Create button at the top, which will start the process of creating your first issue. Next, navigate to your project. You can usually find this by selecting from the Projects drop-down menu from the header and selecting the project where you wish to import your stories. Now, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. This is where you'll find the administration features necessary to import your data. In the left-hand sidebar, find the Import Issues from CSV option. Click on it. This is key to getting your CSV into Jira. Before importing, you'll want to prepare your CSV file. Think of your spreadsheet as a table. Your column headers need to correspond to Jira fields like summary, description, issue type, and priority. Ensure your data is clean and organized within each row. This will help you with easy mapping. In Jira's import screen, select your CSV file, either dragging and dropping it or browsing your computer. Once selected, Jira will parse your CSV and display the import configuration options. This is the most crucial step, mapping your CSV columns to the appropriate Jira fields. Jira will attempt to automatically map these fields, but always review and adjust the mapping to ensure accuracy. Properly map your fields. If Jira doesn't match, you must show which fields you would like to map. After mapping your fields, validate the data and start the import. After a few moments, depending on the number of stories, you should see a confirmation message. Check the imported issues to ensure everything looks correct. You should see your imported stories under the project, and that's it. Your stories are successfully imported. Now you're a CSV import master. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Jira tips, and share this with your team. And if you had any questions, leave them in the comments below. Good luck and happy importing.